Hey everybody, so we have a quick small unboxing from Amazon to do, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? So today we're just going to be unboxing this box. Hopefully it's not too long of a video. Try to make it as short as I possibly can. Wow, really? Such a large box for such little. I don't know why Amazon does this. There's a pack in yellow for socket rails and one blue. Like, really? Alright, so these is... I picked up several more socket rails, but this box only has 2 packages in it. This is Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 388, or 38, B as in blue. My bad. Right there. Another sticker. And this is yellow. Well, the yellow is actually pretty, not too bad. I like the yellow. Yellow is kind of like a yellowish orange. It's definitely a bright yellow though. You know, quarter, 3/8. Half-inch. This one's 3/8. No, there's no sticker in this one. Just a quick little video. I do appreciate you guys watching. I do have some more sitting right here. These are all 1/2 inch. And I got a couple other packages to unbox, so we'll cut this video kind of short. You know, I've been picking up a lot of socket rails lately. It's probably somewhere in the range of, I think, I don't know, $400 or $500 worth of socket rails. I have a crap ton of sockets, and a lot of these rails I'm customizing. So I have 1/2 inch, 3/8, and a quarter on one rail for some things. Some things have quarter and 3/8. Some rails only have quarter and 1/2 inch, you know, and some have, you know, 1/2 inch and then 3/8. But, you know, that's why I bought so many rails. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick little video, quick little unboxing. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description, I do have a Olsa Tools link that will be included with my initials on it. It's a custom link for me that Olsa Tools sent me. So if you guys want to click on that Olsa Tools link, it will send you guys to olsatools.com, and you can get 10% off of your order. Hope it helps. Appreciate you guys watching. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!